For the repair of the Eaton power amplifier, the following procedures were necessary: replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the unit. For testing, we added 220 volt AC power supply and a testing circuit comprised of a speaker and an electric charge. By connecting our personal computer to one of the channels of the power amplifier, we play some music, and in turn the power amplifier reacts accordingly, and the music can be heard from the speaker of our makeshift circuit. Due to lack of additional units, the power amplifier could only be tested as an amplifier, and the digital outputs could not be tested. It is now clear that the power amplifier is working successfully and is ready to be delivered to the customer.